Welcome to our farm. Today, I'll show you exactly how farmers raise millions of sheep, goats, and free-range livestock.
Modern agriculture allows us to manage millions of animals like these Romney and Cernan for high-quality wool and milk production.
This is sustainable agriculture on a grand scale, where thousands of sheep and goats graze freely under the open sky.
Our specialized nutrition program ensures the healthy growth of this luxurious wool and guarantees high-quality, nutrient-rich milk. Moving the herd to shaded areas is key to sustainable livestock management in warmer months. The integration of advanced water and feeding systems is crucial for sustainable livestock management.
Every animal is handled with care to ensure comfort and quality. Utilizing state-of-the-art technology, we deliver fresh milk from the farm to your table efficiently and sustainably.
We have a slight fluctuation in the livestock data on panel 3.
Acknowledged. Adjusting the automated feeders now.
Looks very healthy, the coat is clear.
Good.
Logging it now.
Herd health is optimal this quarter.
Known for its exceptional softness and breathability, merino wool is a sustainable fiber grown naturally in these sun-drenched pastures.
Here at the shearing station,
Every
our
product
trained
is carefully
professionals ensure
checked before distribution.
Here at the shearing shed, the freshly shorn wool is carefully inspected and sorted by our expert team. Harnessing the power of sustainable technology, our integrated facility ensures the highest quality wool and
From our sustainable farms to your table, we are committed to the highest standards of quality and efficiency in delivering our products.
Bathed in the golden light of sunset, this farm embodies our commitment to sustainable agriculture and animal welfare.
And that's how a modern sheep and goat farm raises livestock for wool and milk, from pasture to product.
Subscribe for more